Stonebwoy aya de magana for dodo na ebuofu omadwalai amadodo na so de omani jade a Stonebwoy aya no. Stonebwoy ene Peller, that is Nigerian TikToker. On Sabinus, I want to say Nigerian content creator. I've been some from me anyway, ekushia wa TikTok live streaming. I sana Stonebwoy ene hosti Sabinus, este hosti Peller. Na de we no. Ghana for donano actually omadwene. The idea crime Stonebwoy ayesa. In this video no, I will break everything down. Let you understand why Stonebwoy did that and the reason behind that. Aha Penyah block me. The message any demo. Obe like video no other room. Obe subscribe button. Let's not click notification icon for latest updates. Na better why doing Eda mame. Ewo comment section. Eya no bomodi an ahye video na ma unia so. Enya bi ahye. At this particular point, oko Twitter, just Stonebwoy there. In fact, or trending pay. They check trending topics, another trend asset on Twitter. I think the Stonebwoy. Me checking my list, not also two. Not too much also two. Just say I'm out for air trending part. Nini na ye. Enrichi and a Stonebwoy equate live streaming. Now live streaming mono and one Peller. On the back ya Peller. Shatawale edin kane Peller equate TikTok live streaming. Emma in fact Ghana for ye di Shatawala temper. We actually lambasted Shatawale. And you can say in fact we are good Ghana ni muase. Eti enwechi ana Stonebwoy so ekwoye live streaming na live streaming no ya na jinse Peller ebe hosti no.
My God, waiting this up. Don't worry. I'm coming to Ghana. When are you coming now? When are you coming? I'm coming I think next week. Wait, yes, on the 10th. No, I'm not in Ghana. I'm in New York right now, but I'm going to be in London tomorrow. So what you going to say? I'm going to be in Ghana middle of March. January, February. That means I'll go in middle of March because of. Of course. Let me give you a value. Let me give you a value. Yeah. I know. Oh my God. See. Peller. You know, I've been watching your stuff, and I'm like, you guys are taking it to a different level now. You know, like. Taking it to a different level, my brother. You know, you see, I taking it to a different level. I bring the video, I bring allow me there, big artists on my live stream. I know. I see Joshua also. Oh, I'll bring you also. Okay, fine. Okay, now you are on my own. Next time when you go live, I'll find you. I'll come on your own as well. No, let's go. Let's go. We're going to be in London on the 8th of March. This Saturday where they come like this, You guys show? Yeah, you guys show for there. I won't bring you to London now. You won't bring me to London? You get visa. I get visa. You sure say you get visa like this? Visa, what you be visa? You have passport be visa. No, now visa now the thing where we say that they stamp on for the passport. I have gone to London before. Is your visa valid? Is it expired? Is it valid? If somebody have go before, it means say it's valid. If you go before that time, it's valid. But if you for check the date, you have to check the date if it is still valid. If it never expire. Wait, let me check. Check. Wow, Peller. Check your visa. Check your visa for me now. If you can get visa like this, be say from today to before the 8th, me I'll fly you to London now. Oh yeah, nah, Stonebwoy. Follow me back. I go text you. I'll follow you back right now. I'll follow you back. I'm gonna tell everybody. Make it tell everybody to pull up to O2 Shepherd's Bush Arena. Say that one, man. Guys, you go to Shepherd Bush Arena. Go there. Shepherd Bush. O2 Shepherd Bush Animal. Stonebwoy gonna be performer. No be animal. You know how many people that Stonebwoy? You know how many people that was in you? For real? This is O2 Rena. You know O2 Rena? Shepherd's Bush, yeah. This alone now O2 Rena for you. Almost 30,000 people watch only you. 30,000. Yeah.
It was said that Omunko Matrine is Koya, and as Stonebwoy was ever ready to fly, Peller to London for his show. And as I'm saying out here, on set Stonebwoy, Nyame Adoma on the 8th of March 2025 year, that is Saturday, our show, our London, that is Independence Day show. Over in London, O2 Shepherd Bush, how do we this show on a family and an echo? Now program where concept and Stonebwoy is looking for platforms to market it, to advertise the program, so that at least or bet my selling out. Amount will be etimi auto ticket no etimi program no etimi IFA. It's on that course and I think say or join a Peller on the live stream because on the Peller so oh yeah, for sure you might have your personal perception concerning that guy. You might have your personal opinion about him, but you can't deny the fact that Peller is currently Africa's biggest TikTok streamer. You can't deny that fact. You can have your personal opinion about him personally, but you can't deny the fact that Peller is Africa's biggest TikTok streamer. Well, anyway, you can't deny the fact. And at that particular live stream, na Peller na Stonebwoy, na Peller was nearing 30,000 views. 30,000 instant view. Ghana celebrity bɛyɛ na wajoin TikTok wajoin live streamer hit 30K. ABC baby ada, and it will never happen. Enti Stonebwoy wanted to take advantage of that. Now because of idea oye I'm afraid bi na no tiro madwene ewo Twitter yankin kai bi. Trilight ever say Stonebwoy ignored all his Beam Nation fans in Ghana and chose Peller, a Nigerian, for his UK tour. I can never support this fraud. Shatawale will always be clear. Let's say Trilight HM say, oh, Stonebwoy were fans bebre were Ghana ha. If we were fans bebre were Ghana ha. Upo be the nako programmer, Nigerian TikToker, and our fan. And this particular comment from Trilight, to me it is below the bet. Yeah, when you say Stonebwoy fine, our fans bebre were Ghana ha. But we don't say on fly the fans and for munko ehonomo omuko yede. Stonebwoy cannot fly all his fans. His money cannot cater for such people. And a nipa baako mi no betima fly o makora. We don't say adin a show program say nipa bebentina or de obi eko. E to abefa Ghana ni ne fan bi a ote soga kopi a obi akora ni mu no Ghana even ni krom kura no. Say nipa kro pia obi a mehwe no. Nipa kura eye bibo ni krom aje so okopa manfo chinu ma behwe. Stonebwoy should fly this person to support his concert in London. Now, what will be the person's impact on the show? Yantia is a Peller. Yewo, nipa beberebe wo London. Those people follow Peller and they are looking forward to meeting Peller in real life. And this amount for creators say Stonebwoy at the Peller air bar. Say these people will be, they will be eager to meet Peller. And because of that, they will buy a ticket for the program. And in other words, Stonebwoy is using strategy, logistics to sell his program. It's more criticized there, and not him alone. I think Bongo ideas. Yes, Bongo ideas also saying that Stonebwoy is a sycophant who thinks flying this Nigerian boy to London is a bigger flex than interacting with his Ghana fans or giving them the same opportunity. Uni also can the same thing. So Chirom say ya de Peller air corner Stonebwoy de Peller air corner make sense. Now Ghana fans were had at least you could have given them such opportunity. Even I'm meeting can them. On to me fan the fans in our income. And a program now. You are putting all resources together to market this program to sell it out. And the idea of it means okay here. So content creator will be bigger. Peller for sure Africa will be a penary. And African will be rare, almost supported Peller. Now UK. Because of Peller no. They might even buy ticket to come to the show, to come for the program. If
I talk right now, this 4x4 fans they will come here kind of insult people. Your artist, if they beg Peller, say make it follow one. Peller serve with me serve I know the real town. If they beg Peller, say make Peller follow one. You could give him tickets, make it come issue. Wale, the guy want use Wale name small, they want trend. People say Wale there, Wale they want hype. Now your artist, they beg Peller. Actually, it shock me. Peller. Oh, okay. Maybe it be like say Wale is song where people they use for Nigeria, where it shock you. So you too, it the one people made them use your song. It be Peller where you go, it go beg. Now it beg Peller.
Munya betre Stonebwoy onya obia. And if you are supporting Stonebwoy because you will get something from him, then you better stop following him because that's not how we support artists. And yes, kind of support will be say I am supporting this person because I will get the person will fly me. No, 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 no. We don't do that. It's just like a company signing brand ambassador. Also, it happened between Carlite and Nanaima Brown after Kivo Gale signed Nanama over Carlite. People were saying like, oh, Carlite be the face of Kivo Gale because he started the Kivo Gale trend a whole lot. At the end, where is Carlite? He's out of the trend. But Nanama Brown is still in the system. And you know, anyone will be there checking. You can't just spend money on something that you will not get anything out of it. It is Stonebwoy or Pedom for the show. Peller okra popularity, okra fame. Se Peller ka soba Ghana ha. Edom be pu akwohwe enye nipa ketuma, enye nipa kuma. Yes. Enti such person who has influence on the people. It is nice to associate yourself with such people so far as such concert is concerned. Enti munya isa. Ma mobofo criticize info no debi. Idea nyina ba akoso benya edom edna ko. Ne Ghana fans odom nyina odo bia what say efo epo bia asem. But anama mo ki cancel Shatwale AAB Shatro the end there. In fact it was bad because Peller can say me say Shatawale ekura hu ono Peller. Shatwale will go down on his knees and beg to even take a picture with Peller. So we all expected not Shatwale to, mingle with Peller. But what happened? We saw Shatwale begging to join Peller's live stream. So it means Shatwale even proved the very words spoken by Peller that he's even bigger than Shatwale, and Shatwale, upon seeing him, will go down on his knees and even beg to have a picture with him. And that is totally different. And even on the show, you could hear Peller even pleading to Stonebwoy to follow him back. You see that? So two totally different things. Stop comparing Shatwale's own to Stonebwoy's own. Two different things altogether. What I say? Ube to achela wajune. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah Blog Media.